Hello students, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to explain you operator overloading with the help of complex number using C++. I am using online GDB compiler. It's a good platform. You can practice C++ here. You can compile and run programs and practice as well. Here I have taken int AB. So if I want to take simple numbers like 9, 10, 15, 20, for this I have to take int data type. Float is also a data type like 5.9, 6.8. So decimal point number if I want to take, I will use float data type. But what if I want to use a complex number, or I want to use some addition, subtraction of a complex number? Then which data type I have to select? Sorry, you don't have this type of a data type like if I write complex number then a plus bi, so you cannot define complex number like this in C++. For this you need a particular data type which you will define. That means a user defined data type. I will use class here because class is a user defined data type. So first we understand what is a complex number. Complex number has two parts, a plus bi. Here a and b both are the number, real number, integer number we can say, and I is the imaginary number. That means you can say a is the real part and bi is an imaginary part. Here I have in this program taken r for real part and I for the imaginary part. That means I need two variables for my complex class. Here I have started my program. First include iostream, the header file. Second, I have started my class complex. I have taken name complex because we are working on complex numbers. Private int r is for real, I is for imaginary part. Now I have taken getter and setter method, that is get data and put data. Get data will receive the value from the user and put data will print the value. Now see this third function which I have defined here, complex operator plus complex b. We will discuss this, but first we will go through our main method. This is my main function. Now see here, complex ABC. Complex is my class and ABC are the object. Now why I have defined three different objects? Because I want to do some arithmetic operation like addition or subtraction in my complex class. Using my complex class, I want to add two complex numbers. If I want to add two integer number or two integer variable, simply I have to return a plus b like this, which I have written here, a plus b, c plus b. Because these are the built-in data type, very easily we are able to get the result. But you cannot write object plus another object because built-in data type will not work in user-defined data type, or you can say the operators will not work for user-defined data type. That's why the operator overloading comes in the frame. Here now we will discuss that particular function which I told you, this one complex. Now first think about the basic structure of a function, means function name, return type and parameter. So if I consider it as a basic function, so the return type is a complex, that means a class object, complex class object. Function name is operator plus and the parameter is complex b. I am calling this with the help of a, that means a like a dot get data, b dot get data. So here also I am calling it a plus b. That means you can also write like this, a dot plus means that particular function which I want to use, suppose add, and here in this parameter I am passing the b object. Similar, the operator overloading works the same. That's why you have seen this. I have written here complex C. because in the complex C object I am saving all the result, and here I have written B dot R, which denotes the complex B's data, which adding with the R. Now why I have not written A dot R here? Because the this A object is calling this function. That's why no need to write A dot R here. Okay. Now let's run our program and see the result. Enter value for real part. Now this time it is asking for object A. So I am adding some value 2 and 3. When we add two complex number, the real part will add to real part and the imaginary part will add to imaginary part. Same number I am giving again 2 and 3. Now see, we have got the result 4 plus 6i. That means 2 plus 2 is 4 and 3 plus 3 is 6. Here you can see this value of 2, which first we have given, will be saved in this R, and the another 2 B dot R will saved in this R. The value 3 will save of A's value in this I, and another value will be saved in this I, and both of these value will be saved in C dot R and C dot I. When I return this return C, that means this complex class object, the C will be written here and will get printed as I am calling this C dot put data. So C's value of C, which is saved inside the C object, will get printed with the help of this put data method. So this is all about operator overloading. If I want to do any other operation like subtraction, so what I have to do, just I have to change the operator, like I will do here subtraction, and here also I have to change it with subtraction, and here also I have to change the subtraction. Now we will run it. This is also we are doing subtraction. Now I am going to run this and you will see output here 9, suppose 15, and then I am entering here 6 and 12. So you see the result 3 plus 3i, right? 9 minus 6, 15 minus 12. So this is how you can do the operator overloading. Hope you have understood this topic, and practice is very important in this topic. So if you are doing your practice, then easily you can understand this topic. So this video, I am closing this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.